Oh, friggin' rights, boys. Early day, hey? Early day in Inwoods. Son of a bitch, I got half the friggin' junk was the wrong junk, so friggin' we gotta wait till tomorrow. Switch out the junk. It's already up on the roof. Why wouldn't it be? But yeah, so work on the truck a little bit. I gotta figure out some parts. We got a floppy friggin' stovepipe there, some sort of transfer case wallow action. It's pretty awesome. Dry fucking axle. Got my friggin' axle coming Thursday or something because I wrecked the one that I had and I should have just took it out and swapped it out, but no, it's wrecked. We're supposed to be having a friggin' partay. Why would you want to focus? Supposed to be having a partay October 20th, so that'll be all right. Just a matter of friggin' getting there in 11 pieces, I suppose. But anyways, I gotta friggin' go check the mail, do a bunch of stuff, make some phone calls, get this friggin' drive shift out of there. Oh my goodness. Oh, my truck no good.
Your truck no good?
Yeah.
Not no good.
My truck no good. Look at this one. No good. Broken.
Oh, this one broken.
This one broken. This one?
broken.
Oh yeah. Holy shit. The friggin'
Oh yes.
hard to say.
Oh, inside. Inside look good.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I should just chuck it back together and drive it. Fuck's sakes, I'll just put a new seal in the
Oh,
in the back.
too much money.
We'll just put a new seal in the back there and in the back of the transfer case. Call it a cigarette. We got got a little bit of how you doing on this guy here. It's not terrible, but it's not too shiny either, you know. Yeah. See this right here?
Yeah.
Sharp. Little sharp, little sharp, little sharp.
Oh yes.
No good.
Oh, no good. Change that's how much? Too much money. Yeah. He no cut. That's a small cutting. Hello.
Hello.
I need stink spray, I stink.
What, you stink?
Yeah.
Gross. What'd you do, piss your
Dirty
shirt?
Waters with the different chooches.
Okay, go out there, we'll blast you. Oh, that smells better. Hey, we're having.
I tasted it.
Yeah, a good friend. Oh, too muchy hot.
Yeah, today.
Too muchy hot today.
Tomorrow, okay. Yesterday, okay. Yet tomorrow, okay.
Yeah.
Today, okay.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, done.
Oh, hexangalese. Yeah.
Okay, I go.
Okay, chooch it.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for the mow. Thanks for the mouse snaps. Eh? He's getting the mow real bad. But yeah, I don't know, man. This is friggin' dick because when you know, when the drive shaft was in there, I sort of fucked, but like I checked it and it wasn't. But it's almost like, you know, it's moving in and out a little bit with the chooch of the stovepipe. Like it's like maybe not though too, right? So I don't know. Maybe we'll just friggin' chuck her back together. But I need a new seal up here for sure. So I'll just, I don't know, fuck. I should just chuck it back together and see what happens. I mean, well, what's the worst, you know what I mean? What's the worst? It's already fuckered, you know? I wish it wasn't a holiday. See, right now I could just go and get the seal that I need, put it in my transfer case, and then, no, it's a holiday. Oh, Thanksgiving, eh? Thanks, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate that I can't get a friggin' seal that I need today to fix my friggin' truck. Much obliged, eh? And I've been working all week like a dog, eh? And the friggin' sweltering on a roof of all things. What the hell am I doing? Somebody friggin' convince me. Somebody convince me.
What are you talking about?
Unbelievable. Somebody better start chooching panhandlers, eh? That's your new thing. You're gonna start chooching panhandlers. It's part of your job, eh? You fucking disgusting. Well, so here's another thing, is I took the bolts out, I got the poop on there, I'm ready to put the thing back on. Okay, we're ready to go. Well, where's the bolts? Does anybody see the bolts? Awesome. Yeah, friggin' right. They're not in there, they're not in there, they're not in there. This is just great. I'm having a really good time right now, boys. I really am. I really am. Wow, this is great. Pug one. No, you're not a stupid goof. Just hiding the friggin' bolts. Like, I can't even believe this right now. What is even going on? I literally put the poop on there, go to put the thing out, it's like, oh, wait a second, where's the bolts? Unbelievable. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I've looked every single spot of the shop 56 times, bolts are gone. Bolts are gone. This is what I get to deal with, boys. How's your day? How's your day going? Anyways, we got the friggin', we got the shaft back in and this, and now we're gonna just try her out, eh, friggin'. I don't know, I think I might be overzealous. Hours on your come. See if it does do it. Oh, friggin' lights it does. Eh? Whoa, how you doing? Oh, goodness gracious, the old posi traction. Eh? Here we go. Well, we're back to driving the old lady's van again. I thought we were good, but no, it's friggin' hotter as a frig sacker in there. Yeah, just friggin' hotter as fuck. No ga. So, and it's even hot, like it's out by the pinion where the antler is out the front. You know, it's, you grab it and it's just hotter as frig. The back, you know, unbelievable. But anyways, you know, whatever. I got an axle coming. I just freaking figured it wouldn't hurt to have a look-see. Have a little bit of a look-see. But anyways, I gotta freaking get my shit together here, go see dirty old Nelbert. If you know what I'm saying. Little house spade. Oh, I did get it to move. Decent. Just like out of a magazine, boys. Holy suffering, he does good work. Oh my goodness. Goodness sarsaparillas. Every single time. I spoke too soon. Spoke too soon, right? Oh buddy, I gotta get a couple chooches. Oh, I was thinking too, there's hold on, the focus, for frick's sakes. Okay, we got her locked in. Sometimes with this, like they banned this camera, this type of camera, because it's got infrared night vision, but it's to the kind that sees through clothes. Hey, we're gonna try to get the shot for the calendar. Hey, buddy? It didn't work though, for frig's sakes. Son of a bitch. But I wanted to try it, just in case. Yeah. You know? But there is videos on the YouTubes to where they use one of these cameras and totally saw titties, so I'm terrible. All that kind. But yeah, man, friggin' right. How's Splitty working? Not too bad.
Well, yeah.
You get it all souped up, so I'm terrible.
Yeah, I just you know, for the back plate here, I'm just gonna tack something on. Just gonna clamp the end off this, just so it's got some spikes to, you know, so it doesn't flip out. Just tack that piece on.
What, welded onto my splitter?
Yeah.
What the fuck am I doing? What do you mean?
Grind off after. I mean,
Oh, I apologize.
I'm thinking like I was gonna like chain it on, try pulling it back, but just pushing out, it's not gonna break that bolt. But you know, pulling back,
I could shear that right off.
I can't see that little bolt taking the strain.
Taking the brunt, eh?
Yeah, but
Goodness
I mean,
gracious.
first I'm gonna try it like that, see what happens.
Yeah, it just slides up. Skirt slides up.
Yeah.
But I was thinking, you know, if you just took an angle grinder and cut little ratchets into it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I could do that. Whatever.
That's what I was thinking. But
Just gotta fix that leak and.
no big dirge. Does it have fluid into it still?
Yeah, I checked the tank and it looked like it was all good.
Right on. That's a bonus. That's decent peony. Oh, goodness gracious, careful. Can we get some tokes? Can we get a couple tokes? Oh, friggin' rights. Hey, they got a wooden sculpture of the great Nelsini's patantler. Hey? Is that what happened? Is that what happened, buddy?
No.
Come on. You went there and they whittled one. They're like, here, can you whittle one of these and flomp that out? Eh? Oh, I just wet heaved. Yeah, I gotta go. Buddy. But I gotta work in the morning, big time.
Yep.
I'm a real boy. Eh? I'm a real boy, Nelbert.
Yeah.
But I hate it. And I want to quit. And just smoke cigarettes. I was like working on my truck today on the ground and I was just thinking, wow, this is so much better. That, you know what I mean? It's not even that bad. Eh? When you got other shit on the go.
Yeah.
It's like, oh man, I could be up on a roof, sweltering the sack off, ready to just go cartwheeling off the son of a bitch.
Yeah, I wouldn't care for that job.
No, that's why I'm the boss, and I got to get the mummies to work. And any words? Okay, smoke cigarettes, buddy. Disgusting. Well, anyways, boys, I guess we're still looking at friggin' changing the rear end. Son of a bitch. I was hoping that, you know, give it the old how you doing. I don't know, but no, it's fucked. Oh, and I found those bolts too. They were in this thing. I was like, I was gonna put them there because it was gonna be a minute, and then this and that, and then I forgot because of the hash. Took my ideas, and then I was just friggin' choked. Eh? But anyways, if you want to get the peaks of the ditty gritty on old Inwood there, you best go over to the Patreonics and stovepipe the Sestaro. Links in the prescription, of course, but yeah, I just put the things on there that I can't really put on YouTube's because in accordance to YouTube's no gut. Where she goes. And don't forget the 21st, 20th. And don't forget October 20th, 2018, we're having a Fatty Pant extravaganza here in Inwood. It'll be Pock Lock extravaganza, barbecue, friggin' different things, probably a jump, probably a bit of a how you doing, who knows, but anyways, boys, about figure fudge that like button, and if you missed them, a couple of itches from earlier in the week, but anyways, there you go, another dick boy, one tomorrow.
Don't the ultras get you.